హలో, ఈరోజైతే ఈ వీడియోలో సోలార్ సిస్టమ్ యొక్క కీ పాయింట్స్ అన్నీ తెలుసుకుందాము. క్విక్ రివిజన్ కోసం ఈ వీడియో చాలా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. అలాగే కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కోసం, జనరల్ జీకే కోసం ఈ వీడియో చాలా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. ఇంకా ప్లానెట్స్ యొక్క కీ పాయింట్స్ అన్నీ వేరే వీడియోలో ఉన్నాయి, కావాలంటే ఛానల్లో చెక్ చేయండి. ఇకపోతే టాపిక్ వచ్చేద్దాము. There are over 200 billion stars in our galaxy, including our Sun. Comets, asteroids, objects in the Kuiper belt and the Oort cloud, minor planetary satellites, Titan, Pluto, Charon and interplanetary dust are some of the small bodies in the solar system. Small bodies ఈ కింది వాటిలో ఏవి అని ఇస్తారు, వీటిలో ఏదో ఒకటి చూస్ చేసుకోవాలి. అలాగే శాటిలైట్స్ ఆర్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ దట్ ఆర్బిట్ ప్లానెట్స్ అండ్ దేర్ ఫోర్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద సోలార్ సిస్టమ్. Asteroids are large pieces of rock or metal that circle the sun between Mars and Jupiter. Comets are tiny, irregularly shaped ice objects. They often come from the Kuiper belt, which is located beyond Neptune in the solar system farthest regions. Halley's comet comes every 76 years, the next time in 2061. Dwarf planets are objects orbiting the sun that are smaller than planets but larger than asteroids. Ceres. The nearest dwarf planet to us is located in the asteroid belt. North Star is also known as Pole Star. Orion constellation is one of the brightest and best known constellation in the night sky. The constellation is also known as Hunter. Meteors are bits of rocks and ice that are ejected from comets. They maneuver around their orbits around the sun. Meteor showers are witnessed when Earth passes through the trail of debris left behind by a comet or an asteroid. Galaxies are of three types: ellipticals, spirals and irregulars. Our solar system comes under the Milky Way galaxy. It is barred spiral-shaped galaxy having an estimated diameter of 1,70,000 to 2,00,000 light years. The place at which the planet Earth is farthest from the sun is known as aphelion. The distance of the aphelion between the sun's center and Earth's center is 15,20,97,700 km. The date of aphelion is generally in the month of July. In 2020, aphelion was observed on 4th July. Earth travels in an elliptical or oval-shaped orbit around the sun. Summer solstice. This happens when Earth arrives at the point in its orbit where the North Pole is at its maximum, tilted about 23.5 degrees towards the sun. The summer solstice is the longest day of the year. It happens around every 21st June in the northern hemisphere and around every 21st or 22nd December in the southern hemisphere. Winter solstice. This is the astronomical first day of winter in the northern hemisphere and the shortest day of the year. This occurs annually on December 21st or 22nd in the southern hemisphere. Perihelion. The place at which the planet the Earth is closest to the Sun is known as perihelion. The distance of the center of Earth and Sun during perihelion is 147 million km. It generally takes place in the month of January around 3rd January. Four largest asteroids are Ceres, Vesta, Pallas, Hygiea. Asteroids orbit the Sun and are small bodies on the solar system. They are made up of metals and rocks and also consist of organic compounds. They are similar to comets but don't have a coma like comet. Asteroids have an elliptical orbit. The orbital period is 1 to 100 years. In the solar system, one star, that is Sun, 8 planets, 5 dwarf planets, Pluto, Ceres, Haumea, Make and Eris, 181 moons, 5,66,000 asteroids, 3,100 comets are there. 8 minutes 20 seconds time taken by the light of Sun to reach the Earth. Mariana Trench is the deepest point from the sea level on the Earth. Corona part of the Sun is visible at the time of the eclipse. Photosphere part of the Sun is visible to humans. There is no atmosphere on Moon because the escape velocity at its surface is very low. Equinox occurs when the Sun is vertically above the equator. Lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth comes between the Sun and the Moon. The Earth takes time to rotate is 4 minutes. Planets are non-luminous in nature. They do not emit their own light. Stars are celestial bodies that emit their own light due to nuclear reactions happening in their core. Planets are celestial bodies that orbit around a star due to gravitational pull of the star. Nebula. Nebula are interstellar clouds of dust, hydrogen, helium and other ionized gases. They are luminous in nature and emit light due to ionization and excitation of gases by radiation from nearby stars. Sun's diameter is about 13,92,000 km. The age of the Sun is about 5 billion years. The minimum distance from the Sun of the Earth is 14.70 million km. The maximum distance from the Sun to the Earth is 15.21 million km. 71% of hydrogen, helium 26.5% and other 2.5% of the chemical mixture constitute the Sun. All stars including the Sun and the hydrogen fusion reaction is said to be a mixture of helium. Moon. It is 1/4 of size of the Earth. The average distance from the Moon's Earth is 38,465 km. The diameter of the Moon is approximately 3,476 and radius is 1,738 km. The Moon revolves around the Earth in approximately 27 days, 7 hours, 43 minutes and 15 seconds and rotates on its axis in the same time. This is the reason that only one part of the Moon appears from the Earth. Thank you for watching. For more updates, please subscribe my channel.